This is my final exam for the subject drilling and blasting. Number 1. What material is the safety fuse core typically made of? A. Plastic, B. Black powder, C. Aluminum, or D. Glass. The correct answer is B. Black powder because it provides necessary ignition source for detonation. Number 2. What is the burning rate of a safety fuse per minute? A. 1 minute, B. 2 minutes, C. 5 minutes, or D. 10 minutes. And the answer is letter B. 2 minutes because 2 minutes per meter, it allows for controlled timing in blasting operations. Number 3. How is the safety fuse protected from external factors? A. By using a metal casing, B. By wrapping it in plastic, C. By waterproofing and abrasion-resistant materials, or D. By embedding it in concrete. And ang saktong answer kay letter C. By waterproofing and abrasion-resistant materials. Number 4. What is the preferred method for lighting an igniter cord? A. Using a matchstick, B. Electrically, C. Using a laser, or D. With a safety fuse. So the answer is letter B. Electrically because the preferred method for lighting an ignited cord is electrically, ensuring safe and efficient ignition of multiple fuses. And number 5. What are the typical delay timings for millisecond delays? A. Seconds, B. Minutes, C. Milliseconds, or D. Microseconds. So the correct answer kay milliseconds because it allows for precise control over detonation sequences. Number 6. What is the range of delay timings for millisecond delays in Spain? A. 1 to 10 milliseconds, B. 15 to 25 milliseconds, C. 50 to 100 milliseconds, or D. 200 to 500 milliseconds. And the correct answer is 15 to 25 milliseconds because in Spain, millisecond delays typically range from these 15 to 25 milliseconds, providing specific timing options for blasting operations sa ilang bansa ingana pud sila. And number 7. What is the core material of detonating cords? A. PETN, B. Aluminum, C. Plastic, or D. Steel. The correct answer is PTEN, or what we call the pentaerythritol tetranitrate. And then number 8. What is the purpose of reinforced detonating cords? A. To increase flexibility, B. For underwater operations, C. To reduce detonation velocity, or D. For anti-static application. And the correct answer is for underwater operations because it provides reliable detonation in challenging environments. And number 9. Why are knots in 3 grams per minute detonating cords typically eliminated? A. It is to increase detonation velocity, B. To reduce core load, or C. To prevent misfires, or D. To maintain structural integrity. And the correct answer is letter C. It is to prevent misfires. And number 10. What is the primary purpose of using millisecond delay connectors in detonating cord systems? A. To increase the number of blast holes, B. To create delay periods for transmissions of the detonation wave, or C. To reduce the core load of the detonating cord, or D. To prevent detonation. And the correct answer is letter B, which is to create delay periods for transmissions of the detonation waves.